Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and today I'm going to teach you how you're going to customize your layout email inside SlabWare system. So let's go to the tutorial.
To customize your layout email, go to Settings. Then click on Layout Email. Here you can customize your email. Select the background color for your layout. Your company name, an email, a website link, and a website name, a phone number, and an alternative phone number. The information on the left side of the screen appears in the layout preview on the right side. These details will appear in the footer section of the email. In the header area, you can upload your company's logo by clicking the green Upload Image button. To remove it, just click the red Remove Image button. Then click Save. Now go back to Settings and click on Email Templates. Here you can define the messages that will be sent when specific actions are triggered, like send quote, finalize quote, cancel quote, or send drawing. Here you enter the subject of the email. And here you'll find formatting tools to customize the body of the message, including font type, size, and more. In this field, you can write the message that will be sent when you click Send Quote. You can reset your message right here if you want to. There are also sections for route emails, purchase order emails, send, update, and finalize PO, invoice emails, payment alert, invoice payment and received payment. And jobs emails, request for job scheduling, scheduling confirmation, and job notification. After filling in all the information, click Save again. Now let's take a look at how the layout appears when you send an email. Go to Orders, and then hit List of Orders. Select an order from the list. In this case, I'll select an invoice. In Actions, click Send Emails. Right here, a menu will appear with some options. I'll send an invoice, so I'll choose Send Invoice. You can send it to yourself, to a client, or to anyone else. Here you can see the message you previously configured in Email Templates. Click Send to finish. Now let's check out how the email layout looks.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside slabware.com and start a free trial right now.